Hey explorers, welcome back to Explore with Kojo. Today, we're diving into a topic of advice for first-time travelers to Europe. Europe, with its rich history, diverse cultures, and stunning landscapes, is a dream destination for many. So let's get right into it and explore some invaluable tips to make your European journey unforgettable. First things first, let's talk about the importance of research. Europe is vast and varied, with each country offering its own unique experiences. Whether you're drawn to the romance of Paris, the ancient ruins of Rome, or the scenic beauty of the Swiss Alps, researching your destinations beforehand will ensure you make the most out of your time. When researching, consider factors like weather, local customs, and transportation options. Create a rough itinerary, but also leave room for spontaneous and unexpected discoveries along the way. Utilize online resources, guidebooks, and travel forums to gather information and insider tips from fellow travelers. Next up, let's talk about packing light. Trust me, navigating through European cities with heavy luggage is not ideal. Stick to the essentials. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered for varying weather conditions, and invest in lightweight, durable luggage. Consider packing travel-sized toiletries to save space and weight, and don't forget to leave room for souvenirs. Remember, you can always purchase items you need once you arrive, so focus on packing items that are essential or difficult to find abroad. Now let's talk about transportation. Europe has an extensive network of trains, buses, and budget airlines, making it easy to get around. Consider investing in a rail pass for flexibility and convenience, especially if you plan to visit multiple countries. Research your transportation options in advance and book tickets for long-distance travel early to secure the best prices. Be sure to familiarize yourself with local public transportation systems, including metro maps and ticketing procedures, to navigate cities efficiently. Moving on to immersing yourself in the local culture. Europe is a melting pot of traditions, cuisines, and customs. Take the time to learn a few basic phrases in the local language, such as greetings and simple expressions of gratitude. Engage with locals, whether it's striking up a conversation with your Airbnb host or chatting with vendors at a local market. Sampling regional dishes is a delicious way to experience the local culture, so don't be afraid to try new foods and flavors. Safety should always be a priority when traveling. While Europe is generally safe, it's important to stay vigilant, especially in tourist-heavy areas. Keep your belongings secure by using a money belt or anti-theft bag, and be cautious when using ATMs or exchanging currency. Avoid displaying flashy valuables, and be aware of common scams targeting tourists, such as pickpocketing or distraction techniques. Definitely familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers and local laws, and trust your instincts if something feels off. Flexibility is key when traveling. Despite your best plans, things may not always go as expected. Embrace the unexpected and go with the flow. It's all part of the adventure. Consider incorporating downtime into your itinerary to rest and recharge, whether it's enjoying a leisurely picnic in a park or simply people watching at a sidewalk cafe. Remember, travel is not just about ticking off landmarks, but also about enjoying the journey. Now, let's talk about exploring off the beaten path. While iconic landmarks are a must-see, don't be afraid to venture into lesser-known areas. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. Explore charming neighborhoods, visit local markets, and seek out authentic experiences that give you a deeper understanding of the local culture. Engage with locals, ask for recommendations, and be open to encounters. Budgeting is essential for any trip to Europe. With a bit of planning, you can enjoy all that Europe has to offer without breaking the bank. Look for budget-friendly accommodations, such as hostels or Airbnb rentals, and consider cooking meals or picnicking to save on dining expenses. Take advantage of free attractions, such as parks, museums with free admission days, and walking tours to explore cities on a budget. Set a daily spending limit and track your expenses using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to stay on track. Take your time to savor the moment. With so much to see and do, it can be tempting to rush from one attraction to the next. Slow down, enjoy a leisurely meal, and take in the beauty around you. Whether it's watching the sunset over the Seine, strolling through a local park, or simply people watching in a bustling square, take moments to pause and appreciate the magic of your surroundings. After all, it's these moments that make travel truly unforgettable. And last but not least, keep an open mind. Europe is full of surprises and incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. Embrace new adventures, step out of your comfort zone, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And there you have it, explorers. 10 essential tips for first-time travelers to Europe. Whether you're planning a solo adventure, a romantic getaway, or a family vacation, I hope these tips help you make the most out of your European journey. Until next time, happy exploring!